Google's latest device fixes many of the issues I had last year with the Pixel 6 Pro, including a faster fingerprint sensor and better anecdotal battery life, and Google updated Tensor G2 Silicon is yet another point in the Pixel 7 Pro's favor. Not only is the chipset in this year's phone a lot faster than the first generation, but it provides heaps of new AI and machine learning tricks that are unique to the Pixel 7 Pro and Pixel 7. Speed was a serious limiting factor last time, and they seem to have fixed it, and you're getting this top-level performance not just on the $899 Pixel 7 Pro but also the $599 Pixel 7. The two-tone colors that we had before were more interesting than the flat color options we have now, and there was something quite cool and mysterious about how the last phones just had this entire continuous band that was filled with unspecified Google camera magic. The Pixel 7s have grown on me quite a lot. I've started to appreciate this slightly more rounded corners, the clicker power button, how the sides now seamlessly connect to the camera visor on the back as opposed to it feeling like a separate piece, how the back itself is now made of a more scratch-resistant glass last time. The Pixel 7 Pro sports a 6.7-inch OLED display with a QHD Plus resolution. The Pixel 7 Pro's panel is a step up over last year's display. Colors absolutely pop of sharp contrast and deep blacks. The Pixel 7 Pro sports a triple rear camera setup. A 50-megapixel main sensor does the heavy lifting, and it performs just as well as I had hoped. The 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor does a great job of capturing details a super wide angle, and then the 48-megapixel telephoto camera rocking a 5x optical zoom level, and around front the 10.8-megapixel selfie cam does pretty good in most conditions. Biometrics got an upgrade too, which is nice to see. The fingerprint scanner is indeed better than last year, albeit still not as quick on the draw as an ultrasonic, but it doesn't feel like as much of a chore as the Pixel 6 Pros would at times. Face Unlock has made its return finally. We're definitely glad to have this back, and it works pretty good overall. So far we haven't been able to trick it by holding up a self-portrait or even a live video feed, and this along with the fingerprint scanner make things more convenient and versatile. Cinematic Blur is Google's version of the cinematic mode that first appeared on the iPhone 13. This adds a bokeh effect to your videos much like a portrait photo. It tracks the subject as you pan the camera or as the subject moves. Pixel 7 Pro keeps its focus lock on the subject while blurring the background. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.